Hello everyone! In this activity, we'll learn to read basic sight word sentences. Practice and read with me. Let's begin. See a cat. Again, see a cat. Your turn. Good work. Run to me. Again, run to me. Your turn. Wonderful. A big red car. Again, a big red car. Your turn. Great work. The dog is sad. Again, the dog is sad. Your turn. Good work. We like to play. Again, we like to play. Your turn. Wonderful. I see a ball. Again, I see a ball. Your turn. Great work. Can you jump? Again, can you jump? Your turn. Good work. Go to bed. Again, go to bed. Your turn. Wonderful. A yellow duck. Again, a yellow duck. Your turn. Great work. Do you want milk? Again, do you want milk? Your turn. Good work. The sun is hot. Again, the sun is hot. Your turn. Wonderful. I love you. Again, I love you. Your turn. Great work. Let's eat. Again, let's eat. Your turn. Good work. It is a big box. Again, it is a big box. Your turn. Wonderful. No, it is not. Again, no, it is not. Your turn. Great work. Yes, I can. Again, yes, I can. Your turn. Good work. Where is it? Again, where is it? Your turn. Wonderful. Look at me. Again. Look at me. Your turn. Great work. This is fun. Again. This is fun. Your turn. Good work. Good night. Again. Good night. Your turn. Wonderful.